Our next group is about to be put in a very tough spot. They think that they're competing to be featured in a show about sports. They have no idea this boy is going to be ruthlessly picked on.
Do you not get this? Do you not get this?
And this time it will happen in front of our coach, and he'll ignore it.
Be a man here.
And there's something we haven't told you. Dylan, our actor playing the victim, is an openly gay teen. The anti-gay slurs that our expert coached the bullies to use bring back painful memories. He was bullied both verbally and physically in high school. But the worst part, he says, was that adults often looked the other way.
Fag, queer. It was really hurtful that none of the teachers would actually stand up for me and just ignore the things that were being said in the classroom and ignored the incidents that would happen. I felt like I wanted to change who I was just so I would fit in.
The actor bullies get aggressive, and as Isaiah's mom predicted, he's not going to stand by and do nothing.
Try again.
Yeah, I'm gonna...
No, not up there. Not up there. You catch the ball, man. Yo.
That's why I'm in the middle. That's a good idea.
For the first time today, a group of boys is firmly on the side of the victim. But now the most difficult test. How will they act when it appears he's being physically attacked?
Yo, pick up the ball.
As the parents hold their breath,
all right, watch.
Isaiah takes a risk and steps between the victim and the attacker, keeping them apart.
Throw the ball right!
Whoa, stop. Dude, he's not even trying. Stop.
Let's find out what they'll say to me before they know about the hidden cameras.
What's going on?
Yeah, it's all good.
It's all good?
Yeah. We're all as close as brothers, right, guys?
Some of us.
You're a bit of a peacemaker, huh?
Yeah, that's me.
Then I tell them what's really going on.
Does that change things for you?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Isaiah says he wasn't sure what to do.
Were you feeling like you were in control then, or what?
I felt I had no control whatsoever. But I was going to do something anyways.
The scary thing about bullying is that it is a lack of control. It's a loss of control. There's the unpredictability. But do you know what you kept doing?
Kept trying.
Yeah.
And Thomas says trying is what it's all about.